If you are someone that doesn't like high gele, you want it on a low key, this Headwrap tutorial is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve this beautiful Headwrap you are seeing on my screen right now. It is a low key and elegant Headwrap for people that doesn't like fancy high gele. This style is for you. So I take my ashoke material from front to back. This is super easy that you can achieve at any time, and then I cross it at the back. It is a division of 60-40. One hand is longer than the other, and I kind of like bring it to the front and give it one quick knot. So I did one quick knot. I didn't make it too tight. It kind of like loose but snuggy, and then I open up the shorter hand, and then I'm going to tuck in the ends of that fabric. I feel like it's too tight, so I loosen it up a little bit, and then I can adjust it when I am done. So but I still make sure that it is snuggy on my head. You don't want it too tight so that you can have space, room to do your tuckings. So I'm just tucking in the end of that fold of ashoke fabric, and I am done with that first one. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for the longer end of the 60, but this time around I'm going to tuck it in at the back. So I open it up to divine it, and then I go to the back of the fabric row that I have, and then I'm tucking it in at the perimeter band that I have right there. Yes, and then I just tuck it in. If your ashoke is longer, you can go around your head, but my own ashoke is so short, that's why I just want to use it to achieve one quick, simple and unique style. So I just do the side ruffle of this material. And guys, this ashoke Headwrap low key, low length is ready. What do you think? Right now I'm just using my hand to spread it out, and I am so done with this simple, unique Headwrap tutorial. Isn't this beautiful? Look at the back. Oh my goodness, I love this, guys. I love this. Now I'm just adding to the beauty of this Headwrap by putting on my earrings, and I am ready to rock another Owambe Headwrap. So you can tie this to an event party, your next Owambe wedding, housewarming, naming ceremony, even church. This enter way. So you can decide to flip it to the center, like rotate the arc to the center, whichever one you like. But I think personally I like it on the side rather than having it in front. But the choice is yours. Pick the one that you think frames your face better, the one you think you like. If you have watched this tutorial up to this point, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. Do share this video with your friends if you gain value, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay productive. God bless you, and I love you all. Thank you so much.